Wait, cause
Wow! An RC pickup truck.
yeah, monster truck.
Whoa! To the sand. Can it go?
No, Tesla will put it in.
Try it.
The sand shooter! Ow! Ow!
It got stuck in the sand.
It got stuck on the sandstorm.
Stuck in the sand.
And now there's a lot of sand in it.
That's a nice looking pickup truck, Hulyan.
It's a monster truck, not pickup.
It's a monster truck.
Yeah, a rock
Okay.
roller.
A rock roller.
I don't know what it is, but it's kind of like a monster truck and a rock roller.
Okay.
And now the sand shooter! I'm dead! I'm hit! The sand shooter is destroying every army thing.
Go, Hulyan.
Okay.
Nah.
Sand shooter hit her.
Nah.
Okay. Ready. Get it. Go!
Boom!
Ah!
Oh! It crashed.
Let's try it somewhere more.
Where?
Here.
Okay.
This will be
On
more.
the slide.
This will make it more crash more.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Whoa! Hey,
Hey, do it again.
Okay, it blocked the slide.
It slid
Yeah.
sideways.
Yeah, so it drifts, right?
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! It tumbled.
This time it tumbled.
The tumbling truck.
Let's do it somewhere more crash. Just need to turn it. This will going to explode it a lot. Just have to get in the
There's
right
going to be a big explosion.
Yep. Ready. Get it. Go!
Whoa!
Ouch!
Ouchie, ouchie. Ouchie, ouchie.
Let's do somewhere more strength.
Yeah. Oh!
Whoa.
Yeah!
Nice.
Do it again, Hulyan.
Okay.
Do it again. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Do it again. Do it again.
Okay.
Yeah!
There.
Awesome job.
Yeah. Which one should I do first?
But, you know, if you do it, you can.
How about on the slide?
Okay. Which one, the left side or the right side?
On the left.
I started
Okay.
along. My first job was on a show out here called 24. And then it's just
Okay, ready?
Ready. Get it. Go.
Yeah! Oh yes! All right! Awesomeness! Okay, one more time.
Ready. Get it. Go.
Ah, not this time.
Yeah.
Not this time.
Coming down. Watch
Okay.
out.
Woo! All right.
There I go. Let's see.
Dad, what are you doing?
What's next? Where?
To the twisty slide.
Okay. The twisty slide.
Okay.
The
Time
twisty
to get
slide.
drifty time.
Whoa! It's on its side. Mommy, help.
I'm coming down.
Okay, sliding down.
Woo-hoo.
Yeah.
That was nice, right?
Yeah.
Let's go to the ready. Get it. Go.
Whoa! Awesome.
That was good.
Good job, Hulyan.
Okay. That's it. Go.
The bumpy bridge.
I mean to go down. Wait, wait for the ready, get it, go!
Go, 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 go.
Ah, it's Playtime
It has not much power, Hulyan.
maybe because the batteries are getting weak.
It doesn't have that much power, right?
Yeah. The monster truck has lots of more power,
You
right?
mean the monster jump trucks?
Yeah. The monster
Yeah.
multiple.
Okay, another slide.
Okay, do that.
Yes!
Ta-da!
Yes!
Gets it. Go!
Yeah! Oh yes! Alright! Awesomeness! Okay, mommy. Drive it. What's going on? Weak battery? Yeah. Yeah, the battery is weak, I guess. It's not running anymore. The battery has no more power. Okay, whatever. We're done here, kids. We are going to see you on the next video. Pick it up, mommy. Are you sure the battery is dead?
Yeah. Oh. Wait. How come?
Yeah, weak battery. Okay, thank you, mommy. Let's go. Let's go home. Fastlane RC Dark Star XPS Extreme Performance Series up to 11 miles per hour. Nice truck. Nice pickup truck. Hey, baby boy.
Open it.
Fastlane RC. Oh yeah, the back of the box.